In a happy green jungle lived a proud hare and a wise tortoise.
I am the fastest animal in this forest.
I may be slow, but I never give up.
Hey, Tortoise! You are so slow! Can you even walk? Let us have a race!
A race with you? Okay.
Ready, set, go!
This race is too easy!
I will take a little nap. I will take a little nap. Yay! Tortoise wins! Oh no!
I am sorry. I was too proud.
That is okay.
The moral of the story is, slow and steady wins the race.